dropped it, but it's a bird. Nightingale. Tons of not tons, but some butterflies. See that egret anymore. Come rushing me. Where did they come out from? Where are these dogs coming from? Is there someone down there? Where did these dogs come out from? They came running down the road, come down there. I think someone is there. There's another one. There's another one coming running there. Did someone let these loose or what? God, it scared me. Reminds me of a dream I had. They're chasing me now. There's someone. They have tags, so there's someone's dogs. I wonder if they realized they got loose. Someone is there. Must have gotten away. Hey, these are your dogs, I suppose.
Let me get the one, bro.
Yeah, I was gonna take some pictures, and when I know these dogs come rushing me.
Let me walk you over here and over.
Oh, okay. Because I saw tags on them, I said they couldn't be wild dogs, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah,
all right.
alright, cool. Hey, come on, be good. They rushed me. Oh my god, that's so funny. Yeah, it's supposed he didn't expect people to be around, that's why, but jeez. Good thing they weren't like tourists walking here or something, they probably would have attacked him. I can take my pictures. Dragonfly. Oh, there's the butterfly. I've been waiting ages because since those dogs came after me, it looks like it scared the butterflies away as well. And that had my heart going for such a bad way. Yeah, there's quite a few when I drove in there. The flowers are out, that's why. So there's one. The orange ones, they're lovely. And that looks like a little bee there. Some sort of bug. I remember there used to be tons of these when I was growing up. And now you rarely see them because of all the development. I'm trying to get a good photo of it. I guess I could always take a screenshot. Still shot off the video, but yeah, I suppose I have to do that. He's really busy. It's a busy one. There's a few birds as well, but of course birds are scared of dogs, so. I'm supposed to like those bushes, they're shade. No, it's supposed to rain did that. The petals of, yeah, those purple flowers are really nice. Oh, there, the nightingales are coming back now, yeah. There they are. There's another butterfly. I think it's the same one. Tons of dragonflies. I suppose the birds eat the dragonflies. Oh, there's one there. Wish I had steadier hands, but gonna have to do for now. Oh, there's I think that's a grackle. Yeah, that's a grackle. They bully other birds. Even birds that are bigger, even chickens they bully. Got that distinct chirping. Yeah. They love to steal cat food as well. If someone disposed of something there, looks like a top off of a sewage thing. Yeah, alright. Probably got a nest in there. Alright. Too bad I didn't see the egret today. I suppose they don't like this kind of weather too much either. The more sunny weather birds. Yeah, there's another butterfly. I suppose they're coming back out. This dog's probably scared them. It scared me. That's a nightingale. Let's go up there. Right there on that limb. There he goes. He or she. That natural land. That's how Dan used to be here, you know, a lot of thatch palms like that. That behind, on the other side of the highways, is a cliff. So I suppose they haven't gotten to that yet. When they do, this is not going to look like this anymore. Here's some more butterflies. More birds, nightingales and grackles. Actually, I saw some back, the same type of birds, grackles and nightingales. Because the finch and warblers are probably extinct by now. Not the there's another butterfly. Not the warblers. I forget what they're called. Gotta catch back up on my bird names. It's been like this all day, very cloudy. Starting to clear up a bit though. Good to see them coming out though. And that hole, I keep forgetting that hole is there. And what happened to algae number 2? What happened to algae number 1? It's good to see there's a bit of wildlife coming back. Not like it used to be, but I suppose it's better than nothing. Take what little nature you get. That brings me back to the old days, because that's what would happen. The pond there would overflow onto the road after real heavy rain. So we don't get the heavy rains as before, but there's a bird there again. So yeah, the insects would prevent the birds, so it's part of nature, I suppose. Is that a nightingale? Ah, that's a grackle. Oh, these are ducks. No, they're crows. They're egret, but I can't tell. They're ducks. Butterfly. Oops. They're wasted there, coming from over there into the pond. Where did those birds go? I wasn't sure if they're ducks or where did they go? I don't think ducks will fly up on wires though. There must have been yeah, what's that there? Yes. Trash. Rubbish. Get to see these too often. Oh, there's a bee in there as well. Yeah, there's a bee. Gotta be careful. Can't afford to get a bee sting now. Oh, yeah, he's enjoying himself in there. Oops. Gotta be careful for quicksand in these areas. Look at those birds. They couldn't have been ducks. They wouldn't have been up that high. I'll have to review the footage and see exactly what they were, because I wasn't paying really attention. They couldn't have been ducks or egret. Oh, I miss seeing these mangrove things here. It's a shame that all the garbage comes over from next door. It was so nice here before that was built. Up until the 90s, late 90s. So still the road used to go straight down through there and join back up to beyond the original hotel that was there. Oh, grapes are coming out. Sea grapes. Wow, it's nice to see that as well. I thought even fruits gave up on this place. Oh yeah, I haven't seen these in a while. These little purple butterflies. They're really small. They don't go any bigger than that. Yeah, because these fruits are dragonfly up there. Yeah, they're starting to come out. Starting to bloom now, yeah. People just used to pick them and eat them straight off the tree back in the old days. I guess someone camps out here. They used to a long time ago before the house was built there. This was just pure see that hotel there? That used to be there. No, not this one, the one beyond that. That was the only one that was here. And the road just went straight up through here. Actually, I remember this spot here. It used to be, yeah, it's still high how it used to be. And you can see part of it is dug down. There's a little path. I remember you try to drive up on it, you would get bogged. You'd park up there and camp out. Yeah. Not since the 90s, but all changed.